Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. First, open any editing application. I use CapCut. Go to New Project. Add your 1 photo and 5 photos of a flower you like. Now select Format 9:16. Adjust photos to full screen. Delete end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set photos to this time duration. Now add text. Go to text and type your text. Choose font and style according to your liking. Now place. Apply text layer till the end of first photo. Now write flower name from second photo. Apply text layer till the end. Now check your video. Now choose resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.